If your Roomba has stopped vacuuming, there are several possible reasons for this issue. One reason is that the collection bin is full, and as a result, it cannot hold any more dirt. To resolve this, the bin needs to be emptied. Emptying the collection bin is a straightforward process. Simply press it in the direction of the yellow buttons on the device. Another possible issue is a problem with the filter, which may be clogged or worn out, causing the vacuuming system to malfunction. In this case, the filter needs to be cleaned or replaced if it is damaged. A broken suction fan can also cause low suction power, and if this is the case, the entire collection bin may need to be replaced. Additionally, a clogged brush compartment can prevent the Roomba from vacuuming. To fix this, the gearbox in the brush assembly should be checked for debris and cleaned. And it should also be well lubricated before trying again. By following these steps, it should be possible to resolve the issue and get the Roomba vacuuming again.